Plugging a hole, understanding the phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, plugging a hole. This expression is often used in everyday English, and understanding it can really help you grasp some of the nuances of the language. So, let's dive in and discover what this phrase means and how you can use it in your own conversations. Firstly, let's look at the literal meaning of plugging a hole. Imagine you have a bucket with a hole in it, and water is leaking out. To stop the water from escaping, you might put something in the hole. You plug it. Plugging literally means blocking or filling a hole or gap. It's a simple physical action that stops something, like water or air, from passing through an opening. In everyday English, plugging a hole is often used in a figurative sense. When used metaphorically, it means to temporarily solve a problem or address an immediate need. For instance, if a business is losing money, finding a quick way to reduce expenses might be described as plugging a hole in their finances. It's about finding an immediate solution, but not necessarily a long-term fix. Let's look at some examples to better understand this phrase. 1. Business. Our company was losing clients, so we plugged the hole by improving our customer service. 2. Personal finance. I had unexpected expenses this month, so I had to plug the hole in my budget by cutting back on eating out. 3. General use. When the school realized they didn't have enough teachers, they plugged the hole by hiring temporary staff. These examples show how plugging a hole can apply to various situations, always implying a temporary but effective solution. When using this phrase, remember, it usually implies a quick and temporary solution. It can be used in many contexts, from business to personal matters. Avoid using it for long-term or permanent solutions. And that's a wrap on plugging a hole. Remember, this phrase is all about finding quick, temporary solutions to problems. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.